to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today I'm installing this beautiful highlighted wig that Nadula hair sent over to me. Y'all, I'm feeling this wig. It's super cute. On top of that, I installed this wig without having to bleach knots. So if you guys don't like bleaching knots like me, make sure you continue to watch this video so you can see how I got this beautiful install. Alright guys, so here is the ending part of this installation process, y'all. This wig is beautiful. I didn't add any product to the hair because I kind of liked the big hair look once I brushed it out. I was like, I like how this looks. I didn't want to put water on it, and then the sizing was going to go down after I did that. I like this little big hair look with the color vibe. It's super pretty, and this is perfect since fall will be here in probably like a month or so. I really don't know when it's, but beautiful wig for the fall, so I'm excited to have this color in my collection. I think this is a beautiful curl pattern. I did have some shedding going on with the wig, and I feel like it actually still is shedding, so I feel like Nadula's hair usually doesn't shed that bad on me, but for some reason this one is shedding pretty bad, so maybe I got a wig that just has some weak wefts in it. I'm not really sure what the problem is, but it is shedding, so I'm going to have to probably wear this one a little less just to make sure I don't lose the density of the wig. I do love the fact that I didn't have to bleach these knots, y'all. I installed this wig, honey, without having to bleach the knots. I didn't even tint the lace, and it is blended, okay? This is blended and sitting in on my skin really good. So Nadula hair, I like this wig, okay? This is cute. If you guys want this wig, make sure you check out the link in my description bar below. I will have a link there for you guys to get this exact same wig, and it's also going to have some details in my description bar as well about this unit. So thanks y'all for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.